Setting up your default printer in dealership software. First thing we want to do is make sure you're not logged in to dealership software. You need to be logged out for this to work. So I am logged in, so let's go into dealership software. And from your program menu, you're going to select exit. This is how you log out. If you click the X up here, you're going to disconnect, but you're not going to log out. Very important that you actually log out of dealership software. So we're going to select exit. And now we're logged out. Now we want to check real quick to make sure that the printer is actually installed on our local computer. Let's go to Devices and Printers. Here we can see the printers that are installed on this computer. And this is the one we're looking for right here. It's set to the default printer. And we can see that the printer status is ready. You may want to print a test page from this printer just to make sure it's working. And now we need to go and configure Thin Print. Go down to Start. And we can see it here, but if you don't see it here, go to All Programs. Click on Print Client Windows and select Configure. In the Print Client Manager, make sure the Use This Printer is selected, and make sure that your printer is selected here. If not, just hit the drop down and select it from the list. We want the Default at Server box checked, and now click on the Assignment tab. Here is where you select the printers you want to see when you log into dealership software. And here's our printer here. Want to make sure the box is selected. And for your default document printer, you do not want to check the Enable Sending Properties box. Everything looks good. Click OK. And now we can log back into dealership software. From the Program menu, we want to open up Sales Manager. From the Home page, click on Reports, Set Printers, and then Set Default Printer. Now from this list you want to find your printer, and we can see it right here. Very important that you see your username with the pound sign. If you're not sure what your username is, down the bottom of the main menu you can see it right here. Select your printer, click Set Printer Preference. We can see now that it's added in the current printer box. Select Done. And that's it. You should be all set to print. If we want to test that out, we can go to Invoices, and you can find an invoice by customer, by invoice number. Let's just go down and click on this first one. And from here, go up and select Print. There's our printer. And select OK. And that's it. Setting up your default printer in dealership software.